Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be cleaning the downstairs, mainly the kitchen and the family room. And for most of the video, I'm just gonna play some music. Hopefully it's a relaxing clean with me, and it'll help give you some motivation for your upcoming week.
Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. When I give you every part of me, I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. When I give you every part of me, I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
So right now we're just going through and I'm vacuuming underneath the couch cushions, and my daughter's going around and wiping the couch with leather wipes. The leather wipes smell really nice and they do a really good job of just quickly wiping everything down.
Even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. When I give you every part of me, I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
And I've probably mentioned many times before, I absolutely love this vacuum. It's the Dyson V8 Animal vacuum. I purchased it at Costco, but in my Amazon store, I'll have it linked in this description of this video. I have a very similar one that Amazon sells. I think it's exactly like mine, but a different color. It's a Dyson V8 Animal vacuum. It's the best. I love it for small jobs like vacuuming the rug or the stairs. The kids can help me vacuum the stairs because the vacuum's so light. Windowsills, there's attachments that clean the windowsills really well. After dinner, after the kids have eaten, I love to use this vacuum just by their stools. It cleans very quickly. And now we just placed all the pillows back on the couch. And I'm going around and just wiping everything down. I'm cleaning all of the surfaces. And Now I'm wiping down the TV stand shelves with the Method wood cleaner. I love the smell of this. The scent is almonds. It leaves everything nice and clean, and it has a really nice scent.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love.
Now I'm just going through and dusting everything here. It doesn't look that dirty, but if you look really close, you can see just a light layer of dust.
You took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be.
This is my pantry. I want to show you it really quick. There's a few other things I want to do with this, but one day I was running some errands and came back home, and my husband surprised me by organizing it like this, and I absolutely love it. I can see everything. Everything's so organized. The only other thing I want to do is buy some baskets to put like the onions and garlic and potatoes and things like that. But it feels much better how it's organized. Before, things were kind of organized, but kind of just thrown in there. Yay, everything feels much better. The only thing left is vacuuming the stairs and mopping. This is my favorite part, when we're finished and everything looks and smells amazing. And this right here has got to be my favorite part of this home, is to be right by the sink doing dishes or making dinner and to be able to see my kids outside playing in the pool.